In 2018, I built a Spiky Gundam, and it's been in my shelves ever since. Today we're gonna check why it was visually striking and try some fantastic poses. I'm your host BBMT Collector. Please like, share and subscribe. What are your thoughts? Please put it in the comments. NG Gundam Astray Blue Frame D has solid inner frame and excellent articulation. It has wide range of motion. It weapons the dragoon system. It consists of 10 blades and 2 large swords. The backpack is modified L-strike known as Weaver Striker. Thanks for watching and enjoy.